how to create a temporary Gmail account with a password. On this process, you will have to first make sure that you have updated the latest version of Gmail app on your phone. So you have to confirm it. And now after that, you will have to open the Gmail on your phone. So simply open the Gmail. And from here, you will get the options to add a new account. So this is the informative video that unfortunately there is no any such options to create a temporary Gmail account with a password. So you have to create a permanent Gmail account with a phone number or something else or recovery email. So there is no any such options to create a temporary Gmail account. So it will come up on a Google or Gmail policy. So you can create a temporary Gmail account. So this is the information that I want to give you. So hope this video was helpful to you as a informative video to create a temporary Gmail account on your phone. So if this video was really informative to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short video like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.